So you have somebody slide into your DMs and you know the promise is too good to be true. And you know it because you see on their profile, it says something like, I help coaches scale their practice by booking them high ticket appointments or some bullcrap like that. And you know it's too good to be true. Well, here is how you make them go away. So they first slide into your DMs with something like, hey, I'd love to connect. And you respond with this. Hey, I'm always interested in new lead sources, but before we have a call, I need to know the startup costs that are non-refundable, and I have to speak to at least 3 current clients that are actively using your service today. And they're always going to say, hey, I've got a video for you to watch that explains everything. No problem. And then you tell them, I don't need a video. Just make this quick. What are the non-refundable costs? And I need to speak with 3 current clients. This is a non-starter. And then without fail, they're going to send you a video. They will always send you a video. And remember, this video is about generating emotion, teaching you the process, and getting you emotionally invested so that you are convinced that this is a guarantee. And you respond to them. Hey, I don't have time to watch this. Just write it out to make it easy. What are the non-refundable startup costs? And you have to supply 3 current clients in my niche that I can speak with. This is a non-starter. And they might ask, what do you mean by costs? And due to confidentiality, I'm unable to provide 3 current clients. And then you respond, great, no reason for us to continue. And they will always go away. Anyone that will not give you 3 current clients is a scam every single time.